You guys, it's the odd one out here with another jailbreak video with Lapras Gamer 919 once again.
Hello.
Now let's go. Da 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 da. I don't want to.
Do the same thing with last jailbreak video?
Yes.
The day for we want to do OGUS.
Shh, shh. I'm not talking about last video.
Same with the OGUS.
The new challenge for this week is you have to subscribe, hit the notifications bell, like the video in 15 seconds, and you have to write all of it down in your comment in 15 seconds, and you can become in the Odd One Out clan. That cop will save Karen, else in the passengers. I have everything black. Brown. Yeah. I didn't. You have to crawl on top. You have to. Because I locked the car.
Why do you lock it?
Because it's funny. It's cool. Patient. Nah, our patient's dead. We don't need to worry about him anymore. Let's go to Cumbers. I fell out the wild. Lucky I spawned at a Crimbase. I'm gonna go get an ambulance real quick. Call. Ambulance. Meet at G. Our mission. Our mission has not been completed. Let's do this. I want to run. No, get out. I want to ram this guy. Here we go. No patient, just cop. Let's ram him. I rammed him. Oh, the ambulance. Not really. Full out, full out. Full out, Justin. Wait. I'm at where the cop is. I'm at you. No, I'm joking. No. There's like a cop somewhere. She was open. Should I? Complete the mission, I don't care.
I'm gonna love you.
Oh! Cop right there. Just killed him. No, you have to complete the mission with me.
Okay, well, have you started running it?
Yeah. Go up to top and then you can wait for me and I'll wait until I get kicked out.
Yeah.
Just saying. Fine. Alright, let's do this. Maybe. I don't know, but I got my shotgun.
Well, you're good. Who's coming up to the road? I'm gonna wait.
Risky time is my fun time. Risky time? Risky time is my favorite time.
Did you get arrested? Because I saw him so far and got arrested in the basement.
I see him. No. How could I get arrested?
Oh, yeah. I see you in front.
Is he on top?
Nah, he's at the bottom. He's at the bottom.
Oh, wait for it.
He's there.
I want a Bugatti him over. Bugatti. See? I just Bugatti him over. Robbery! Finally! A success! Let's do the rap. The mission has been complete. Wait, she's still on! Wait, look. I'm gonna do something. Oh my gosh! She actually stayed on! You guys saw that, right? That girl's crazy. I'm letting her back on. I'm glitching. Wait, you have no rims.
Yeah, I know. It's because I have to refix them because that guy shot my rims.
But you don't have any rim. You don't have anything inside of your rims.
Yeah, I know.
Wait, how do you do that?
Once I get up, you just go to the auto garage thing and it does it. But now my rims are back because I'm back.
I'm gone.
I'll get another car.
Get them clearing. I just saw a girl just die. This girl that was on top of my car, if you guys saw, she just left. Gas. Can we rob the gas of the place getting in? Give me all your money or else I'll kill you, Asimov. Come on. Give me your money. Thank you.
Well, this guy's just covering my room. Just read it.
Yeah, you just go into the garage before the train. No. Right. He's coming for you. Oh my gosh, that looks even more creepier. Look at my headlights when they turn on. Look, come here. Look. You can't kill him. It's my jewelry store now. Yeah, you can, actually. I flung him. I like hit your car and he flew off. He's on my car now. Damn it, I wish I had speed bullets. Comment down below if you know how to do speed glitches. It'd be very useful. And then catch him. Brunk. If you're watching my video, please, just give me a speed. Oh no, he's trying